Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Android audio customization. If you're a fan of the pristine sound quality and powerful equalization features found in LineageOS ROMs, you're in for a treat. We're going to show you exactly how to port that fantastic AudioFX equalizer experience to virtually any rooted Android device, all thanks to a brilliant Magisk module. Get ready to elevate your music, podcasts, and video playback to a whole new level. So, what exactly is this module doing? In simple terms, it's taking the robust equalizer and sound effects from the official LineageOS ROMs and integrating them seamlessly into your rooted Android system as a Magisk module. This allows it to work across a broad spectrum of Android devices that have Magisk installed and running. The beauty of this module is that it provides a global type sound effect, meaning its enhancements should apply system-wide, affecting all your audio output. However, there's a significant point to note, especially for our Samsung users. This module can, and often will, conflict with Samsung's proprietary Sound Alive effect. If you're on a Samsung One UI or TouchWiz ROM, we have specific steps for you later in this guide to ensure a smooth, conflict-free installation. Stay tuned. Do not have any other Magisk modules installed that are designed to disable or replace your stock AOSP sound effects libraries. The first step for everyone is to install the main AudioFX module. Open your Magisk app, go to the Modules section, tap Install from Storage, and navigate to the downloaded AudioFX module zip file. If you're using KernelSU as your root solution, the process is very similar. Open your KernelSU app, find the Modules section, and install the zip file from there. If you're an audio enthusiast and already use any other audio module alongside this one, and I mean any other module that alters your audio output, then you must also install the AML Magisk module. For those of you on KernelSU, there's one more setting to check. You'll need to disable unmount modules by default in your KernelSU app settings. This is important for the module to function correctly. Once you've followed these steps based on your device and setup, simply reboot your phone, and that's it. After the reboot, you should have the LineageOS AudioFX equalizer ready to enhance your audio experience. All the download links for the necessary modules are available in the video description below, so be sure to check them out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Android customization tips and tricks. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.